So I finally pulled the trigger on getting a pressure washer this year. That's right here behind me. It's a Simpson 3200 PSI pressure washer. Today I'm going to be using that on the patio here. Finally got this patio cleaned off, but it definitely needs some work. I've been doing a little bit of cleaning on the back of the house here. Been working on that. So that's why it's already a bit wet. But I'm going to go ahead and take the pressure washer against this patio, see how well I can clean it up. We're going to be hosting some guests here later, so I really want to get it tidied up before then. But just wanted to bring you guys along, let you see how well this thing works. Let's do it. Well, the patio I think looks great. That pressure washer did a great job. Now I think all that needs cleaned is me, because quite a bit splashed back towards me. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure and subscribe or check out this video next. Thanks for watching.